Good morning, children. Hope you all are keeping well and studying well. Welcome back to this online class of Kerala Public School. Children, last time we have completed the chapter 1. Okay, the first lesson we have completed, and question answers you will get in the group in the PDF I will send you today. So today we will continue the second lesson. Okay, we are going to continue the second lesson. The topic of our second lesson is the fallen soldier. Okay, the fallen soldier. So what do you understand by the fallen soldier? Fallen soldier means that we know no? What is the meaning of soldier? Army. So maybe that army is killed and fallen in the ground. Okay, that is the fallen soldier. About the soldier, about that army, one who is fallen on the ground, about him we will read in this poem. So first of all, here for us given some exercise. Okay, that is, before you read, match the words with their pictures. We have to match these words with their pictures. So troops means group of armies. Okay, group of armies we call troops. Then bridle, that horse, armies use horse, no, that is called bridle. Then armor, this also they use for, they wear, no, for when they go for fighting they wear, that is called armor. Then crest also for fighting they use, that is called crest. Then military tank about also we know they use when they go for fighting they use, so this is called military tank. Then sword means this, we know everybody this sword. So you match in your book. So now we'll read this poem. Okay, this poem is, just now I have told this poem is about the fallen soldier. Okay, so now first stanza I have written in the blackboard. So you look at the blackboard and I will read for you. You also read. Okay. So the fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. Okay. To this fallen soldier, just now I have told you that army, that soldier is fallen on the ground. He is killed maybe, and so he is falling on the ground all alone. No one is near him. So the soldier is all alone, fallen on the ground. Fallen soldier far from home. As we know, soldiers, armies, what they do? They leave their family, parents, loved ones, everything they leave and stay away. Okay, they are, so that's why it is telling fallen soldier far from home. So this soldier is far from home. घर से वो दूर में, उसका family से, उसका parents से, उसका loved ones से. Okay, so that's why that soldier is falling on the ground alone and far from home. Also, he is far from home also. To trickling down his face a tear, forgetting how it feels to fear. Okay, that fallen soldier. The soldier is already fallen on the ground and trickling down. Trickling down means that tears may be coming, okay, flowing. So this trickling down his face a tear. So tears are trickling down. Trickling down means like a stream that tears are falling from his face. Forgetting how it feels to fear, and he is already going to die, so he is forgetting how to fear. Okay, he is forgotten how to fear, what to fear. Okay, so he is already forgotten because he is going to die. Death and all is fate and glory, now it's here, no need to worry. So this poet is telling about this soldier that he is already going to die. That's why he is no more fear in him and no more worry. Okay, he is fallen all alone and tears are coming from his eyes, and death and all his fear and glory, his death is already near. He is going to die. That's why he has no fear, no more worry. Okay, so did you understand this stanza? This is the first stanza. Now we will learn about the second stanza. Okay, now the second stanza. Okay, second stanza also the same. Fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. He is one of those they all forget. The life he lived, the goals he set, the ones he loved, the ones who wait to see his nearly forgotten face. So your poet is telling, okay, in this stanza, poet is telling, I have explained about these two lines before. So here in this stanza also poet is telling that he is one of those they all forget. So we know that they sacrifice armies, okay, soldiers sacrifice their life for the country. They fight and they are killed, they are died, okay, they died. But what happens? We forget them. Yes or no? Once they die, we forget about them. Okay, what they did, what happened, everything we forget. So here poem is telling that those they all forget. Whatever he is sacrificed, the soldier is sacrificed, he is died, killed maybe, but we forget. His loved ones also forget, family, everything, everyone forgets. So in this stanza, poet is telling that everything, whatever he has done for the country, everything we forgets. The ones he loved, the ones who wait to see his nearly forgotten face. So that poet is telling that he is already dying, but everyone, his goals, his life, everything we forget about his soldier. Okay, now we will see the third stanza. So the third stanza is telling, fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. Okay, that fallen soldier, one who is fallen in the ground, that fallen soldier is all alone and far from home. Now breathing's just a waste of breath. Okay, so poet is telling he is almost going to die. Okay, almost going to die. So his breathing is just a waste, just going to die. No one is near him. So he is breathing, but that breath is just a waste because he is almost going to die. That's why his breathing is just a waste of breath. The poet is telling, and living just a waste of death. And he is going to die, so his breathing is just a waste. As he searches for a new address, a brand new home free of loneliness. So as he searches, okay, because he is going to die after his death, he will be in new home free of loneliness. Okay, there he will go. After death, he will be in a brand new home. Okay, a brand maybe in very good place and free of loneliness. No more, there will be no loneliness, and there will be new address. Okay, that's why this poet is telling that breathing is just a waste. Okay, because he is almost going to die. No? So his breathing is a waste of breath. Okay, so now fourth stanza we will see.
Pause now.
Okay, now this is fourth stanza. Okay, the fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home, to lying motionless on the ground. So here that fallen soldier is one who is lying all alone, no one near him. So this lying motionless. Motionless means, okay, motionless means not moving. Okay, there, because he is dead, no. So it's motionless means not moving. Okay, in one place he is lying. So lying motionless on the ground. Motionless means not moving. Okay, motionless on the ground. So without moving, he is lying on the ground. The battle raging all around. But this battle, okay, battle means we know that youth, that is all continuing. Okay, all around means uske charo aur mein this battle is continuing, but this soldier is lying on the ground, motionless. Okay, not moving, and but all battle is going all around. For now, he is not all alone. This fallen soldier is welcome home. He is falling on the ground without moving, but that battle, okay, youth is going all around, continuing, but he is falling on the ground. And for now, he is not all alone, but the soldier is now no more alone because he is welcome home, because the soldier is already dead. So he is welcome home. He is no more alone. Okay, that's why poet is telling he is no more alone because he is already dead and he was falling on the ground, motionless, no moving, but that battle was going on, continuing. Okay, so once again children, you look at the book. Once again I will read for you. Okay, I will read from the book. Hope you have understood, but once again I will read in the book and you listen. The fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. What I have explained now, that fallen soldier, that army is fallen on the ground. He is killed. Okay, he is killed and he is fallen on the ground all alone. He is alone. No one is near him. And fallen soldier far from home, and he is far from home. Okay, we know they live when they are in their duty, no one, okay, they leave their family, everybody, they leave and go. So he is far from home, trickling down his face in tear, forgetting how it feels to fear. So his tears are coming from his face and forgetting how to feel fear, how to be fear, because that death and all is fate and glory now is here. No need to worry, because that soldier, that army is going to die. That's why he has no more fear or worry. Okay, or everything is forgotten because he is going to die. Then fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. He is one of those they all forget, the life he lived, the goals he set, the ones he loved, the ones who wait to see his nearly forgotten face. So here poet is telling that fallen soldier, okay, that one who is fallen on the ground and far from home, he is alone. Then what happens? Everything, whatever he has sacrificed for our country, everyone, his loved one, everyone will be forgotten. Like us, we all will forget what he has done for the country, for us. We will forget after some time. Yes or no? Then, so third one is fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. Now breathing's just a waste of breath and lying's just a waste of death. As he searches for a new address, a brand new home free of loneliness. So that one who is fallen on the ground, he's breathing. He is about to die, no? So his breathing is just a waste. Okay, he is just lying on the ground. He is going to die. That's why his breath is just waste, because he is searching for new address, because he is going to go to another place, new brand place, and he will get there. He will be no more loneliness, or he will be there in new address. That's the poet is telling. Then the fourth stanza, fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home, lying motionless on the ground, the battle raging all around. For now he is not all alone, this fallen soldier is welcome home. So this fallen soldier is motionless lying, okay, he is already dead. So he is lying on the ground, no more moving, okay, and the battle raging on, but that battle, okay, battle is already continuing, okay, he is already dead, but battle is going on, it is continuing. For now he is all alone, for now he is not all alone, but now he is no more alone, and foreign soldier is welcome home. He is dead, so he has gone to another place. Okay, so this is the poem. You go through yourself, you read, and you will understand better. You read yourself. So this poem you read, and this new exercise question answers you will get in the PDF I will give to you. So for today, here we wind up. Thank you.